All right, my people, it's good to have you guys on the stream. It's good to have you guys on the stream right now. It's good to have you all on the stream right now. Like, super amazing to have you guys on the stream. Like, let's get this started. Let's get this started. Get it started, guys. Let's get it started. Let's get this started. Let's get the stream started, guys. Let's get the stream started. Let's get it. Let's get the stream started, guys. Let's get the stream started. All right, guys. First thing first, let's look at what's going on Forest Factory. We can see that we have no, like, NFP2 has been cancelled again today. Today was supposed to be the last Friday of the month, but NFP has actually been cancelled. So there's nothing we can actually do about that, but to just move ahead. So you can see NFP is cancelled. No news for us. So all thing you can do is go to our chat and analyze the chart. So I've already dropped an analysis or a trade that I want to play out. I'm still holding my sell stop below the structure, waiting for this candle to close. Hopefully it close below this level, and the next 15 minutes candle can activate us, and London session might likely continue pushing the trade to the downside. But let's just do a proper breakdown and let's see what's going on the chart. So what I'm actually looking for on gold currently, what this candle is right now, is for it to close something like this, price to close something like this, leave like some weak bullish candle, and the next candle should drop down with a strong bearish momentum. So this is what I want gold to do in order for me to go for shorts and make some money off the trade. So this is what I'm currently anticipating. This is what I want gold to do, and that's it, because overall we are in the downtrend. The daily close as a bearish candle. We have a bearish closure on the daily time frame. You can see it. You can see where the bearish candle closed. So this gives you a bearish momentum, because throughout this week we're having a lot of bearish candle. Just that price has been rejecting off this level. And if I drop down to my 4 hours time frame, you can see that on the 4 hours, it's like a double top. Price came back up to do a double top formation, and it's kind of struggling at that moment. So let's see. So if I drop down to my 1 hour 1 hour time frame, you can see the 1 hour 2 is strong bullish, but it's currently at this level, and this level is the level that price have rejected multiple times. So if I drop down to my 15 minutes, there are two things that can happen here. The buys can also play out. The buys, don't get me wrong, the buys can actually play out as well. This can just be a support level, and price will look to break above this level. Then you can look for possible buys. Like probably you see, let me take this out first. Probably we see some bullish candle. Let's see, we see some bullish candle like this next 15 minutes to print out bullish candle above this level. Let me clear this out properly. Remove all drawing. So something else that can happen is we see this next 15 minutes candle print out some bullish momentum to the upside. Like price will just print out bullish momentum to the upside, get a bullish closure. Now resistance level has been created, and that will be like probably the open of London, and we can get a retest, and price can continue pushing to the upside. So this is something else you can see on gold. You get me? Sometimes you can see on gold. So that's it. That's what we can see. So let's take note. Or this candle will likely just flip bearish below the structure like this, creating this support, breaking below the support, and price will just continue pushing to the downside. So this is something else you can also look at gold and see if gold can actually do something like that. So what we can do now is just wait and see how everything plays out, and you know exactly how we can to place a trade or make money off this trade today. But for now, we'll wait, guys, and see how this goes. We just wait and see how this goes, guys. All right, guys, we're waiting. If you're in stream, give us a like, guys. Give us a like and leave a comment. Let us know you're active. Let us know you're active on the stream, guys. Let us know you're active. Let us know you're active on the stream. Let us know you're active on the stream, guys. So my buy stop is still there. I still have my buy stop around the corner. So let's see how that plays out. So it's going to be like the flip of the 30 minutes. So that's what I'm looking at right now. So it's going to be 30 minutes flipping. That's where my entry is. So it's around here, and my stop loss is around this top. Yeah, it's around 50 people. I think I'll adjust it once the trade gets activated. So that's what we have currently. So let's see how this trade plays out, and if we will get triggered, or if we make money, or probably the 15 minutes is just doing a retest to continue pushing to the upside. Might just be a retest to continue pushing to the upside. Like I said, buys can also see play out this. Buys can also see play out. So let's wait. Let's see if we get triggered on this trade, and let's see if we're gonna make money of the trade. But for now, we wait. Wait, guys. Wait, guys. Wait. Let's see how it plays out. Let's see how it plays out, guys. Let's see how it plays out. So if you're just new, give us a like. Give the stream a like, leave a comment. Let's know where you're commenting from. Give the stream a like, leave a comment, guys. Leave a comment. Give the stream a like and leave a comment, my guys. Let's leave a comment. Let's give a comment. Let's know we're active, guys. We're active. I know you guys can see that I've changed the whole front. It's different from the way it was before. I know you guys can notice that the front has changed. There's a bit of difference in the stream. Yeah, I did some working on my OBS yesterday. So bring something new. I'm approaching the end of the year. Let's bring something different, something new, something sharp. That was the idea about it. So if you're new, please give us a like, give us a share, comment, and ask questions, guys. Ask questions. I need a lot of questions. I need you guys asking me questions so we can keep the stream entertaining. So we're about to get activated on the street. What was exactly my entry was? I think we just got activated. Guys. Trade is active, guys. Trade is active. Let them know the trade is active. So let's see how this trade play out now. We just got activated. Just got activated on the street. Trade is active, guys. So that was also the close of the 5 minutes candle. So let's see if this might just be bottom of it, guys. This might just be price placement. Let's see if this candle flip bearish and break is low. You can see a massive push to the downside. That might just be price, and that might also just be price creating a bottom of it. But let's see. Hopefully this trade pushes to the downside. Hopefully it pushes our way. It's pulling back heavily. Let's see. My mental trader has freeze. I don't even know what's going on like this. So what's going on right now is one of my accounts. I actually one small account. I stacked it in, and it's looking like that account is about to go sideways. I stacked it in. It's calling me. It's even showing me margin call right now. Showing me margin call right now. But anyways, I gave you guys a brief understanding on what the trade will likely do. So we're still holding on and seeing the candle has not closed. We have about 7 more minutes. Hopefully this candle doesn't flip bearish. It starts pushing back to the downside. So let's see how it goes. Let's just see how it goes. Let's see how it goes. Hopefully the trade plays out exactly the way we planned it to play out. We can look to make money off it. Let's see. So trade is active. We're in drawdown, a bit of drawdown. Price has gone. Probably we have waited for the close of the candle, but price has gone 20 pip against us. So let's see. Let's hold on and see how that plays out. So what we're going to happen is that how we're going to manage this trade is once this candle flip bearish, close half of your position. So that's how we're going to manage. Once this candle flip bearish, close half of your position. Close half of your position, guys. So we're going to manage the risks like that. So if this particular candle breaks its own high, like its own 50 minutes high, so we're going to close everything. Once it breaks this high like this, we're going to close everything. This high is exactly how you're going to manage your risks. Once it breaks this high, we close every single thing. We have no position again in this trade. Once it breaks that high, we close everything, guys. That's exactly how we're going to. That's how exactly this is going to go down. That's exactly how this is going to go down. That's actually going to go down, guys. So manage our risks properly. Like this, I'm going to record it as a loss because the trade. Actually, I've just waited for. My bad. Actually, I've just waited. Close all, guys. Close all. Close all. Close all, guys. Close all. Close all. Close all, guys. Close all. So this is risks were managed from a 50 pips stop loss. We're able to manage it at around 30 pips. Around 30 pips. So let's see. I've adjusted it back, but I've closed all positions. So let's see if actually this trade is going to actually stop us out. But just stay active, guys. I already gave you guys another analysis of what I'm looking for price to do and how I'm considering entering gold next. So let's see if price actually does that, and we know if we are going to. We know if exactly if we're going to go for longs or shorts. So let's just wait. Let's wait and see how the candles play out. So that's just it. So let's see if this price was actually going to stop us out completely. So let us we took some L's there. So let's take some. We took some L's. Remember, it's not starting right for us, guys. Remember, it's not starting right for us. Or it is what it is. One good trade, and I think we'll be back. 1 or 2 good trades, I think we'll be back. So let's see. 3 more minutes, guys. 3 more minutes. 3 more minutes. So let's see. The trade has been closed already. We have closed off the position. We're no longer holding any position on this trade, but I'm waiting to see how we close this. If we manage everything at this point, yeah. I started managing from this point here, but let's see if actually is going to hit our initial stop loss. I think we had initial stop loss of 55 pip. Let me check. 55 pip stop or 55, yeah, 55 pip. So I already managed at 30. So let's see if it's going to actually get to the overall stop loss. Like I said, I was actually looking for these buys, but I just expected volume to kick in and continue pushing the price to the downside. But price just had a different plan. It just wanted to create a bottom wick for price to actually continue pushing to the upside. So let's see. The trade was activated, but it didn't go as planned. And I think we managed good. I think we managed good. I think we managed good. So we have about 1 more minute to the end of the candle. Let's check gold. 30 minutes time frame. Let's check the 1 hour time frame. So the 1 hour is just price creating a bottom wick for candle to keep flipping bullish. I saw this, but I felt like price has been too bullish, and I was considering that price wants to start a new direction. So let's see. Just stay active, guys. We might actually have a trade sooner or later, like not revenge trade, but something I really break down. Like this is something else we're actually looking for. We always have two different buyers by the end of the day. So you can see price is approaching where I had my stop loss. So obviously looks like price will have actually come to take us out of this trade. So this was a beautiful trade, well managed, and I like the whole idea of the way we manage the risks. So that's it, guys. You can see it's approaching. So stay active, guys. I'm still going to send a trade. I'm still going to send out another trade. Just stay active. I don't think this is going to play out. Let's see how the close ends. Let me take this out first. Yeah. 30 minutes. Okay, probably 30 minutes. 30 minutes is better. So it's going to be like an impulsive entry. So but we need a weak bottom. We need price coming down first. We need price creating a low. Okay, no entry for us. No entry for us, guys. No entry for us. Forget about it. No entry. We need a bottom wick so we can have a decent stop loss and all. But price just pushing upwards. So you can see that price now will have actually hit our stop loss where we had our initial stop loss. Let me put you guys so you guys see what I'm talking about. So price will have actually hit our initial stop loss. You can see it has taken us out. So you can see how we manage this trade properly. So this is how you manage trade. I just show you guys how to manage your risks on a trade, like how to manage your risks. So okay, guys, we have price pulling back down. This is good. So I think we will likely have another attempt on this trade. The 1 hour, place your buys above the candle. Like this is 30 minutes. So once you see a 30-minute flip breaking above I don't know if I'll call it on time, but if you want to see this candle breaking above its own high, like this high, you can go for longs. Let me see where we can put our stop. No, I'll prefer this high. Yeah, I prefer the high, like the total highs. Yeah, this would be a better entry. So once we get the flip and price breaking above, we're going to get activated, and let's see how that's going to play out. So I don't know if I'm going to call it on time, guys. I don't know if I'm calling it on time, but if you can see what I'm doing, pay attention to what's going to happen here. I'm trying to type as fast as I can, copy as fast as I can. Let's see. If you have any question, guys, you can ask me any question on the chat. If you have any question, you can ask me. If you have any question, you can ask me on the chat, guys. Let's see how this one plays out. So waiting to see if we're going to get activated. Let's see how the trade plays out. Let's see. You see, I have a lot of time. So this will be the second trade and final trade. So if this trade doesn't go the way we want it to go, then that's it for me. And I'm precise, today is Friday, so I'm actually not made any money this week. So this is me trying to trade and make money on a Friday, and I've taken a loss already. So left for me, I'm supposed to be like, I'm no longer trading, but let's see. This is also looking like a good setup. Because I took a loss doesn't mean if I see a good setup doesn't mean I will not attempt it. You understand? So this is actually looking like a good setup. So let's see if it's going to actually play out, or if it doesn't play out now, hopefully the next 15 minutes close above this level. So if it close above this level, it's good. And if, funny enough, this 30-minute sales might actually see play out if price breaks below the low. But let's wait. Whatever it is in the next 15 to 30 minutes, if I don't get anything from this trade, I'm going to call it a day and call it a stream and just come back on Monday next week. So let's see, guys. Let's see how it plays out. So price is doing something like a double top right now, and it's looking like it wants to take out our stop loss. But let's keep waiting. Let's see what's going on. Let's keep waiting. Let's see how the whole structure plays out completely, and we know what we're going to do. Waiting now. 8 more minutes, guys. 8 more minutes. Let's see how it plays out. Eight more minutes. Hey guys, I'm actually trying to get the stream to not the stream, like my YouTube page to 500 before the end of the month or before December. So we are currently at 333, and we need about 180 something, I'll be 70 something or 60. I think 164 people. So let's see how I can do that if possible. Once we get to that level, we'll look to do a giveaway, pro firm giveaway. All right, guys. I think we're about to get activated on this trade. About to get activated on this trade, guys. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. So if you want to be part of the giveaway, you can share the YouTube stream to people. Let them know that there's someone giving out. They're going to be giving out free Profem. Maybe 5K. I think I'll do 5K Profem to 3 people. I think that's what I'm going to do once we hit 500 subs. So yes, we need to hit 500 subs, guys. So I think I'm going to do that. 5K Profem to 3 people. So that's like 15K worth of Profem. So let's get the sub to 500, guys. Let's get the sub to 500 so we can do some massive giveaway. So 5 more minutes. What's going to happen is that I'm going to delete the buy stop and wait for the 5-minute count to close, so we don't get triggered like the previous time and end up losing money again this morning. So let's delete buy stop, guys. Delete buy stop. Delete buy stop and wait. To delete buy stop and wait. So what I want price to do actually is the same, actually going to be the same thing. So what I want price to do is this candle should just close, since it's 15 minutes, it should just close bullish above. So I want to see some bullish momentum. So I want to see this candle. Let's see what we have on the left. So I want to see this candle closing bullish above this level, which is rejection like this. Then I can anticipate the next candle to just break these highs, the previous daily highs, the previous hourly highs, and we can have some bullish continuation to the upside and probably fill up this range. But first of all, we need to fill up this resistance we have here, and from there we can see what we can do. But if price close, let's just wait. If price still close below the structure, you can still look to get an entry, because we are looking at it based off the 30 minutes time frame. So the 30 minutes is a much stronger time frame, but also you need to be careful of the lower time frame as well. So we might actually miss this move if price starts breaking above the high and start pushing up. We actually miss it. So let's just wait. Hopefully in the next 3 minutes, gold can be crazy. In this next 3 minutes can actually just give us the entire trade. But let's just wait. Let's see what's going to happen here. So let me bring back so same, we are going to have a new entry and a new stop loss, but we have to just wait for the candle to close. 3 more minutes, guys. Hopefully we don't get this price push way too high and we end up missing the entire trade. Or let's see. So this is going to be like the trade. If you don't get this particular trade, then that's it. Then we're done for the section. We'll just take 1 L for the day and that's it. This month is looking very rough so far. No decent trade, not anything giving us any good thing. But let's see, guys. Let's see what happens. Let's see what happens, guys. Let's see what happens. Two more minutes, guys. Let's hold our horses. Let's hold. I know we just took an L, but let's patiently hold on and see what happens in the next 2 minutes. And if possible, we will likely catch the best trade of our lives and make some good money this morning. So let's hold on and let's see how that plays out. So we have 2 more minutes. We have about 1 minute left. So let's see how that plays out. Mindful of your stop loss as well. Gold is giving us like wide stops and all. So be mindful of your stop. And you can see that even this move already, this from this point to this point is already 13 pips, and that's like where we look to break even. So you can see it. We have about 1 more minute to the end of the candle. In case I don't call this trade on time, if this candle close, you can decide to enter manually execution, wait for put your stop loss below here, or just wait for a decent, a small pullback, just a small pullback, then you can look to enter. You get, you can look to enter. Few more seconds to go, guys. Few more seconds to go. Few more seconds to go, guys. Let's see, guys. Let's see how this plays out. Let's see how this plays out, guys. Let's see, guys. Let's see. So we have that small pullback. Let's see if we can get the flip of the candle, and let's see if we can get price to push to our direction. You can see price that just paused. I can just pause for a second. So let's see. Let's see. So what's going to happen right now is instead of us having a 50 pip stop loss, if this candle flip bullish and break its highs now, we're going to adjust our stop loss to wherever the candle clears its low from. So that's what we're going to do. So I've gotten price closing above the way I wanted to close. So the next thing is to see if volume will kick in, this candle will flip bullish, and let's see if you can make some money. But if you don't do that, if you don't get that, then that's fine. We just call it. We call it a day. We call it a day, guys.
Whether you're relaxing at home or out and about, make your music move with you. With Premium, you can download your music at higher quality, listen to songs ad-free, and play them in any order. Tap the banner to learn more.
Let's see, guys. We're still waiting. The trade has not been triggered yet. We're still waiting to see what's going on. We're still waiting to see what's going on, guys. And gold is. I don't know why gold is deciding to not move now. Like it has been moving crazy, or it's deciding not to move now. I don't know why. Let's keep saying that. Let's keep saying. So the 30 minutes is doing what? So the 30 minutes has broken above the previous 30 minutes. So it should actually, let's look at the 4 hours. So the problem here is the 4 hours. 4 hours, we are literally at the 4 hours resistance. So I think this is where the problem is coming from. Like this is legitimately where the problem is. We're legitimately just at the 4 hours resistance here. That's the key issue here. That's the key problem. We're just at the 4 hours resistance. So let's see if we get a break or not. We're just there. Just at the 4 hours resistance. Let's wait, child. I was waiting. 10 more minutes. 10 more minutes. Let's see if we get this flip and let's see if we make money. Let's see if we make money. I doubt it, guys. So let's see. 5 more minutes. If you don't get anything in the next 5 minutes, then you will look to close off our positions and call it a day. The stream it's been going for over 52 minutes. So by the time I get to 9 more minutes, we are over an hour. So if you don't get anything in by that time, we'll just call it a stream and that's it. So let's see how it's playing out on 5 minutes. Is it breaking 5 minute close? Okay, guys. Once we see a break of this 5 minutes, see, I'm still feeling like this price is going to sell. I'm still feeling like it's going to sell. I'm still having a feeling like it's going to sell. Well, let's wait. Let's hopefully we get that flip we need. We get that kind of flipping. But if we don't, we just stop here. This is where we're going to stop. If we don't get anything, just stop here. If you're in the stream, guys, do give us a like. Give some a like, guys. Give some a like and leave a comment. Leave a comment what you think about trades. Let me know. Let me know how your week has been. How many trades are placed this week? If you're trading at all, if you're not trading, just talk to me about your whole experience this week. I need to know. You get. It's not look like I'm running crazy. I'm just talking to myself here. So you can just tell me about your trades, what's going on, how this week has been. Just put something out there. Let me know. Also let me know if my stream has been helping you. So this is DJ, and this is DJ on the 15 minutes. And the 15 minutes you can instantly notice that DJ is in a range, and he recently broke out, but it's looking like he wants to break back inside the range. So you can likely see a nice selling opportunity if price close break below the structure. For those my GJ's lovers, so if you see a closure below this candle like this, strong bearish closure on GJ, see a strong bearish closure on GJ like the way it's about to close, strong bearish candle like this on GJ, then you can anticipate price to like retest, then you can trade this range, look to close off at all this level. But first of all, you need price to close below the range, then you can look to short the GJ. So that's what I see. So let's wait. Let's wait, guys. JJ might be the one. See the way it's pushing strongly to the downside. So JJ might be the one. So let's look at gold as well. Okay, guys. Delete your order on gold. Delete your buy stop. Delete the buy stop, guys. This is why we use buy stop and sell stop. Because we expect when price do a certain thing, it shouldn't move a certain way. So delete your buy. Delete it, guys. The problem with that $50 challenge is I'm noticing the way November is playing out. Although there was some nice trades today, there were actually some nice trades today, but I'm noticing the way the the whole November is playing out. So I don't think I will do it now. Do you understand? Because we're basically like at the end of the year. Do you understand? What I can advise you to do is stack up, save up some money, get your money to like $100. Then February, not January because January is usually a bad month too. But towards the end of January, we start. We do like I'm starting a new plan, like a new goal. I'm trying to get my first goal is I'm openly saying that to everybody. The goal for 2026 is um me making my first 100k on trading. Do you understand? So that's it. That's basically the plan for 2026. Like that's the legit plan. So it's going to be a roadmap for everybody who's interested in starting the same way with me and gets to that point. Do you understand? So that's what I'm going to do. But for now, let's stay away from the chat as I'm giving the chat minimal time because it's not looking its best and I don't want to ruin it. Like ruin money. This is by the end of the year, you should be saving money. You should be saving money so you can do saving money. You understand? So that's what's going on. But for now, guys, I don't think I'll be doing that $50 challenge because of the way it is. I don't think I'll be doing that. You understand? So the plan next year is just get like in trading. Let's say that we have made 100k trading. I make some couple of money in trading, but I can't tell you I've made over 100k dollars in trading. I've not. You understand? But this time, that's the plan. I want to make 100k dollars in trading. That's the plan, guys. So for now, just save up. I'm going to tell you guys exactly how I'm going to do it. At least just save up some money. So when I start, it's going to be a challenge as well. So when I start, you guys will see I'm starting. If I'm able to achieve it, hopefully I do. Hopefully I do with the right mindset and all. Hopefully I do. And hopefully we have good months. That's just it. Hopefully we have like good market conditions and the months are good so we can make money off it. And everything is going to be done not 100%, but I think 70% of the whole journey is going to be done on stream. And on Sunday, I'll be dropping a normal video on YouTube on how to journal your trade with Notion. So I know you guys are splitting that video, so I'm going to be dropping a video this weekend. So just stay tuned and just stay tuned for the video. You guys will see the trade. You guys will basically see how it is. I think that's all. I don't think I'm placing any other trade today. I don't think I'm doing anything. I really think we have taken a loss. Like we with our full chest, we took a loss, and hopefully I recorded that. So I'm going to actually send the trade. It's going to be a YouTube short or TikTok as well. So you guys will see exactly how I was able to manage my risks and not losing the initial money we had planned to lose. So that's just it. So for now, that's it. That's basically it. That's basically it. So see you guys next week. And I'm openly tell you guys that Next week is probably going to be my last time trading this year. I don't think I'll be going to stream, like stream or trade anything this year again. But I'm going to be dropping content for you guys. Like I'll be dropping like regular content back to back on YouTube, on Telegram, on I'm going to be dropping a lot of content. But for trading, I think that's it for me for the year. I think I'm about to hang my boots for the year and work till next year. So that's just the plan. Let's review the entire year. Let's see our mistakes because there are a lot of mistakes. Even though we had like a decent running this year, we made some personal mistakes that showed in our result too. Do you understand? So let's see how we can correct those mistakes so we don't make them again next year. So that's the plan. We always have to look at our mistakes, review them, and work towards them. So the 30 minutes has closed. It didn't close the way. Let's look at GJ for those who like to trade GJ. How did GJ close? Okay, GJ closed strong, bearish to the downside. So if you're looking to trade GJ, you can wait for a pullback. And once the candle flip bearish, when the candle flip bearish, you can lose to sell GJ. Now once you flip 21 pip stop loss is not bad, or you can just put it like in the range here for 13 pip. GJ is not bad as well. So let's look at it on 30 minutes. Okay, it's just at a resistance. Yeah, you can give it a try. If there's volume, look like there's a volume in the chart. You can give it a try. But me, I'm not looking at anything here. Look at anything here. So that's it, guys. That's it. So see you guys next week. Like I said, next week is going to be the last stream, basically the last stream for the year. Last stream for the year. But I'm going to, like I said, I'm going to be dropping content back to back. I'm going to be dropping normal long form YouTube content back to back for you guys. You get. But for streaming, I think that's it. We tried for the year. Hopefully, we get some nice trades. Nice trade next week, so we can just break, either we get break even or we just recover our losses. So that's basically it. So see you guys when we see you guys. If you have any question, text me, let me know what's going on, and I'll be willing to answer anybody. So bye, peace.